In this video, I will show you how to disable the Windows Defender SmartScreen filter on Windows 11. Click the Windows Start menu, type Settings, and open the app. Navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. Click on Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Navigate to App and Browser Control. Open Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off SmartScreen toggles for check apps and files. Turn off SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge. Turn off phishing protection. Turn off potentially unwanted app blocking. Turn off SmartScreen for Microsoft Store apps. Toggle each of these switches to off to fully disable SmartScreen protection for apps, files, and browsing.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.